Successful dog relocation. My top tips for a stress-free move. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my top tips for moving with your furry friend. If you're planning a big move and want to keep your dog calm and happy, stick around. Moving can be stressful for both us and our pets. But with a little preparation, you can make the transition smooth for your dog. Here are my top secrets. First up, get your dog used to the idea of moving. Start by introducing them to boxes. Let them sniff and explore. This helps them feel comfortable with the change. Next, during the moving day, create a safe space for your dog. This could be a quiet room with their bed, toys, and some water. This keeps them calm while things get hectic. Try to maintain your dog's routine as much as possible. Feed them at the same times and take them for walks. Familiarity can really help reduce anxiety. Once you're in your new home, explore together. Take your dog on a tour of the new space. Let them sniff around and get used to their new environment. Lastly, be patient. It might take some time for your dog to adjust, and that's okay. Offer plenty of love and reassurance. So there you have it. My top secrets for a smooth dog home move. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pet parenting advice. Good luck with your move, and give your furry friend some extra cuddles from me.